Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today is my off, so we are going out. Today we are traveling by metro because our car is in the garage. There is some issues with the car and it's been so long that we haven't traveled in metro. So we thought of going out in metro, and it's Paarth's first time in metro. Let's see how he reacts. And today I am having little difficulty in speaking because I have got ulcer in my mouth. It's hurting me and I cannot speak, and these people are making fun of me. So guys, Paarth is here going to sleep. It's very hot outside and metro station is very near from our building. It's like 3 minutes walk. So let's go. Paarth! Hello! It's hot. It's very hot,
एकरा सब्जी किन्ने नै हैन नि
नि हो, हाम्रो त हप्ताभरिको सब्जी हो।
ए त्यही भएर म मक्ख परेर ए हुन्छ भोलि फेस्टिभल प्लाजा जाँदा त हुन्छ भनेकी रहेछ त
अनि तपाई चाहिँ के को लागि गर्न आटेको
Paarth is looking very handsome. It's his 8 months birthday.
म त पार्थको 8 मन्थ बर्थडे सेलिब्रेट गर्न जान आटेको
Paarth is very poor to celebrate 8 months birthday right now.
अब हाल्दे मुखमा
मेरो नयाँ जुत्ता भनेर देखाएको होला पार्थ
ए हुँदैन मुखमा। So guys, we've reached the metro station. Nani, kya karni? Zoom.
Center point. Your attention, please.
Paarth felt sleepy in the metro. So guys, we are out of metro now and we have to walk like 3 to 4 minutes. It's hot but it's not that far, so we decided not to take taxi. Paarth also slept. He slept, yeah? Paarth is
कहाँ गयो भरे
festival plaza.
के भयो
एक्टिङ गर्नु उसको एक्टिङ गर्नु हामी चाहिँ अहिले कहाँ गए जाँदैछौँ एकचोटि सबै दर्शकहरूलाई भनिदिनु पर्यो
Festival plaza.
हामी चाहिँ अहिले फेस्टिभल प्लाजा जाँदैछौँ
मेरो घाउ भइरहेको छ नि त. I am having difficulty in speaking, that's why.
या डिफिकल्टी
ल म एकचोटि एक्टिङ गरिदिनु पर्यो घाइते मान्छेहरूको
बिचरा घाउ भएको छ त्यही पनि यस्तो गरेर हुँदैछ हामी चाहिँ
So guys, we
So guys,
almost
we
reached Festival Plaza.
फेस्टिभल प्लाजा
के अरे?
गाइज वी रिच्ड फेस्टिभल प्लाजा गाइज True lift हो.
Lift is also like one bedroom.
पहिला सेल्फी खिचौँ न
Hi guys, welcome back Vana. Welcome back. Hi गर्दैछ. Boy sister shopping.
So guys, we are entering IKEA. Our sister, she don't want to buy anything.
I want to buy a cup.
केही किन्नु छैन अरे तर पनि हाम्रो टाइम पासको लागि आएको.
So guys, we left from Festival Plaza. We are going by taxi because we have lots of stuffs with us. Paarth. Sisterले blur भयो भने चाहिँ लु आज चाहिँ blur नगर्नु पर्यो. फेरि blur भइस.
ज्वाइँ
हजुर
अरू बेला आफू गाडी कुदाउने आज गाडी नकुदाइ बस्दाखेरि कस्तो अनुभव भइरहेको छ त गाडीलाई मिस गरिराख्नु भएको होला हैन
गाडीलाई त मिस त पक्कै गरिरहेको छ नि तर अब
गाडी ग्यारेजमा छ
गाडी ग्यारेजमा छ
बाबु पनि हेर्दै त
खलासी खलासी जस्तो फिल हुँदैछ
म चाहिँ के खलासी हो
आज चाहिँ ड्राइभर छैन खलासी खलासी जस्तो लाग्दैछ